Well, good morning, everyone. I am Sujan here. My name is Sujan, and I'm from the company DIGI9. This training is with respect to the features of an e-commerce platform that we develop. E-commerce platform. So, as you all know, we are into custom website development and mobile application development, and the very general requirement that we get is for an e-commerce platform. So in e-commerce platform, what do we give? So we give an e-commerce website and an e-commerce mobile application. In a mobile app, we give an Android version and an iOS version. So the entire package has a specific pricing. We also have individual pricing for a website and an individual pricing for a mobile application. And when it comes to mobile application, we always give it in both iOS as well as in Android. The reason being, the reason being, we develop the platform using the platform called Flutter or React.js. So majorly we are very proficient in Flutter, and that is the reason we develop using Flutter. And the advantage of this is Flutter creates cross-platform applications. So what is a cross-platform application? Cross-platform application means the applications written in one code, right? One code is used to deploy in both Android as well as iOS. So a little more about cross-platform applications. Initially, when a mobile application started and when the concept of Android and iOS came, we were developing the applications using native languages. So, what does native language mean? So, if you had to develop an application for Android, we had to develop the application using languages that was specific to Android. So, it was generally Java, Python, Angular, etc. So, we used to develop using these languages. And for iOS, we majorly used to use Xcode, right? So any application that was developed using Xcode or written in Xcode was used for iOS, and any language written in these platforms were used to develop Android. So this was basically a cumbersome process. You had to develop it twice to deploy it in each platforms. So what happened with Flutter? Flutter uses the language called Dart. This is the Dart. This is majorly the framework, right? So this Dart language, written in this Dart language, it is one code, and using one single code, we can deploy it in both Android as well as iOS, plus a web app also. But generally, when it comes to e-commerce website, we as a company develop it using either WordPress, Wix, or Shopify. So generally, we can you also do it on Flutter, but since these three platforms are more easier and convenient, we use these three platforms. WordPress and Wix being the easiest, and that is why we charge a little less. And Shopify is a little extra because it needs some specialization. So I hope this is clear. So I'll summarize this. E-commerce platform, we get a website as well as mobile applications, both Android and iOS. And the Android and iOS are developed using Flutter or React.js. Flutter majorly. Flutter being a cross-platform, one code fits all, no need of native languages. and Flutter framework uses the language called Dart. And e-commerce website, when it comes to e-commerce websites, we develop using WordPress framework or Wix or Shopify. So I will break down the features. I will go on explaining the features of the e-commerce, and these pricing are subject to change. Once you're aware of the features, probably you will have enough idea on how to tackle the customers. Because if you learn about e-commerce, you can sell any application, because all other mobile applications generally have the features what an e-commerce mobile application carries. So we will start with a website to start with. Going ahead, we can switch to mobile application. So coming to website, the features. So as it is written here, the basic package for an e-commerce website, we do it using WordPress, Wix, or Shopify. And this is basic package, and we generally do it for 200 products, because every time we create the database, we have to make the tables ready. And in the tables, we have to enter the data. Enter the data. This data comprises of text plus images. So basically, when you look for a website like Myntra.com, there is text, that is the product information, which can be the name, description, categories, etc. Plus, it also has images. So we generally cater to a service of adding up to 200 products, which includes text, product information, description, plus images in the basic package we provide. And additional of 200 products, we generally charge a particular price, and that is subject to change. We generally take a service fee, and that is extra, that would cost extra. So I hope this is clear. So what is an e-commerce website? The features of an e-commerce website. We will quickly jump to the features. So what is a responsive design? So ensure the web app is fully functional across various designs, devices, and screen sizes. So what is the meaning of a responsive design is, for example, we develop a website and you open the website in any laptop, be it a 13-inch laptop or a 15-inch laptop or an iPad of either 11 or 13 inch or a mobile phone, the website fits in automatically. Fits. The website fits itself. So we will start with an example. So this is the website that we have developed, SRT Groceries. I'll reload it so you have another idea. So as soon as I reload it, the website fits itself to this particular screen. So this screen is somewhere around 11 to 12 inches, and it is fitting. The website is absolutely fitting into the screen. So if I open the same website in a 15-inch laptop or a 17-inch screen laptop, it will expand. It will expand to fit automatically. So this is the meaning of a responsive design. So in the basic package, we give a responsive design. It is a must, because somebody coming for a website, it has to accustom to different screen sizes. So this is with respect to responsive design. I hope it is clear. So second thing is user management. So what does user management include? It involves registration and login. For example, you get into Myntra, it will ask for you to sign up or sign in. So that is nothing but registration. Sign up is registration and sign in is login. So if I have to show with an example, I don't think there is, okay, there is account. So basically, it is asking us to register. This will do the sign up process, and it is asking for login. When you click the login, you generally can do it using your username or password. You can also sign up using your social media links, social media handles. So we generally give login via Gmail or login via Facebook. So it is very evident in Myntra, Flipkart, Amazon. You get to log in using your Gmail ID, or you get to log in using your Facebook IDs as well. So same way here, as you can see, login with Google, we can enable doing it login through Facebook also. This particular client asked for login with Google only. So we stuck to login with Google only. So you can log in using your social media logins and sign up also. Sign up also, registration also, you can do it using your social media handles. Next comes profile handle management. So users can manage their personal and shipping information. So if you can go here, I don't know if this website has. So probably in the mobile application, I'll show you user management, more of user management. So in the user management, you can manage your personal data. You can add a picture for yourself. You can update your shipping details. You can update your payment methods. You can have a payment method. You can enter your card details. You can save your card details and shipping address. You can have multiple shipping addresses. So during checking out, it simply picks a shipping address. You all must have used Amazon or Flipkart. It simply picks an address and it goes ahead. So that is something that includes in profile management. You basically can manage a profile. So this is customer facing. A customer, when he logs in, or when he gets into the website, he can log in or he can register and he can manage his profile. Next is product browsing and management. So in product browsing and management, as you can see, home, you have a search bar. You can search for something here. You can probably search for a soap, and all the soaps come here. So we give for a search bar here, allow users to search for products using keywords. So using the keywords, you can soap, detergent, anything. Those specific products will come down here. So we give a search option. Apart from this, product catalog. This is a product catalog. You can see detailed products, the list of products. So product catalog is a list of products. We also segregate it, shop by categories. So if you just want to look at beverages, instant drinks are available. So basically we are categorizing it. A product catalog is something as categorized. So if you want to look at home care, you want to look at detergent, bar, powders and liquids. So everything is categorized. So this is a catalog basically, the list of items available. So this is a product catalog. And the next one is detailed product pages. So high quality images are involved in the detailed product images, description, ratings and reviews for each product. So I'll show you what a detailed product description is. So see an image, a crystal clear image is available. So this image has to be given by the client, of course. There is product name, there is product pricing, and there is a description, detailed description about the product. We'll look at something else. So there's a product image, there's a name, there's add to cart option, this detailed description. So this is what is meant by a search bar, a product catalog, and detailed product pages. This is what we give for a client in a basic package. And there is filter and sort options. So in this particular website, I don't think we have a filter option because the need is different. So we'll take Myntra as an example. So when we click for men, let's take t-shirts. So we give this filter and sort options. If you can see on the left column, there is a filter option. You can filter by brand, you can filter by color, and you can also sort popularity, discount. So this is the option that we give. So here's there's a limitation. In filter and sort options, when we develop, the filter option is available across two verticals only in the basic package. This is specific to the basic package. Same applies to sort option up to two verticals only. So in case we are developing for an e-commerce clothing store, we give only two verticals. As you can see, either we give it for brand and color only, and any two verticals. So you can choose between brand and color. And in sort, again, popularity or pricing high to low. See, all this we can develop multiple filters, we can develop multiple sort options, but they would cost extra. These whatever we are telling, right, up to two verticals only, it is specific to basic package. If the customer wants extra features like extra filters, extra verticals, extra sort verticals, then we will charge extra. So this is with respect to filter and sort options. Next is shopping cart and checkout process. So there is a cart functionality, easy to add, modify, remove products. So let's go back to our website. So you look for something, there is cart function, add to cart. So see, you added to cart, easy to add, easy to modify, and easy to delete, right? Cart functionality, add to cart, easy to add, easy to modify, easy to delete. So let's go deep into the cart functionality now. And there is a secure checkout process. During checkout, you can get multiple payment options, and there is order confirmation. So I will take a note to explain more about the secure checkout process. So let's try checking out something. So I added this. I'll add this also to the cart. I'll add this also to the cart, and we'll click on checkout. And the checkout page opens basically. It takes in delivery date and time. You can pick it. This is with respect to the website. You add your details here, and after adding details, you click on place order. So we've integrated a payment gateway. So more about a payment gateway. What is a payment gateway? So when it comes to payment gateways, see, when we develop a website or a mobile application, right? A customer has to eventually pay, and that payment has to be reflected in the vendor's bank account. So how do we do this? To receive the payment, we will integrate third-party APIs. So what are third parties API? So basically generally we integrate Razorpay because it is very convenient, or we integrate PhonePay. We can do others also if they're available, but generally what we choose is Razorpay and PhonePay. So if a customer books something, right? He books something, and if he has to pay, when he clicks on the payment option, it redirects to the Razorpay page. So from there it is Razorpay gateway. It we redirect to Razorpay gateway. From there the Razorpay will give Razorpay or PhonePay will give a scanner, or it will ask to pay using UPI, the UPI code, or it also asks for card details. From there the Razorpay or PhonePay will take in, and it takes the payment, and that payment confirmation will come here, and the order is placed. So always when you're selling an e-commerce website, if there is a payment gateway integrated, we always integrate it to a third party API. So generally we use Razorpay or PhonePay. We navigate it to their payment, and Razorpay picks up the total amount. If it is $1,000, it will take up 1,000 rupees, and it shows the necessary payment types, being it a scanner, card, etc. And once the payment is done, the page is redirected to our page, and the order is placed, right? And the similar is with the order confirmation and tracking. So when somebody places an order, there is something called as order tracking. Somebody has to pick up the order, right? Pick up and deliver. So this order tracking also is integrated to third party API. This integration of third party API is done only if they don't have their own delivery. If they don't have their own delivery application that is developed, which I will tell you in future phases, it is integrated to a third party API. So generally we integrate it with ShipRocket or eCart. Okay, so what happens when somebody clicks on track my order? It will redirect to ShipRocket page, or it will redirect to eCard page, and from there ShipRocket will display the details. On our website, on our mobile application only, we would have integrated such a way that ShipRocket will display the details or eCart will display the details, and a customer will be notified where his order is. So this is with respect to checkout and order confirmation and tracking. Apart from that, we will give the feature of order history. So when a customer clicks on his account, right? So I think that is available only in the mobile application. Once I show the mobile application, I'll probably take that forward. So basically, the history of the orders. So where his order is, he can view past orders and the statuses. So that is available on a website also. For this particular website, we have not developed. So if you can check on Myntra, I'll have to log into Myntra. So let's skip that. So order history, he can view his past orders and the status, right? If it is delivered, status if it is delivered, or is it pending, something like that. Past orders is like what did you order, like a soap, etc. So when it comes to admin dashboard, so who is an admin? Admin is our client, the client who is getting the website or the mobile application developed. So he will have a specific admin dashboard. So what can the admin dashboard do? So like it basically gives functionality for the admin to add his products, manage his products, right? So he's basically coming here to sell. So when he has to sell something, he'll have to add that particular item to the dashboard. He'll have to add relevant content and data to the dashboard. So that is what we give in an admin dashboard. So in the admin dashboard, that is our client who is coming to sell the website. He can manage his products, his orders, whatever orders he has received, he'll be able to view it. For the admin dashboard, I think I'll do a separate video how it would look like. He can see his returns, any returns that is pending, and any payouts, all the payouts that he has received. And this is specific to 200 products only. I mean, we would have created the multiple tables. He can go on adding, and we'll link his credit card if more database is required. But he can do so much. This is the admin functionality. And inventory management, again, he can add, update, track product inventory. So this admin dashboard, I will do a separate video, but this is the basic information that you have. Apart from that, in the website, you will have an FAQs and help center. So what is FAQs and help center? So if you can go to home, mm, that does, let's see. Okay, I think FAQs, we've done it only in the mobile application, but here also we can give an FAQ. It is typically a page which has some questions and answers. So any quick answers, we can do it. So this is with respect to FAQs. I'll show it in the mobile application version. And next we'll have a testimonials tab. Testimonials is nothing but reviews. So as you can see, these are the reviews, testimonials. So this tab will give in a basic package. And testimonials tab, after that, contact us page. As you saw already, we visited multiple times. Contact us. So in contact us, it is basically there is a number available, there is an address available, and any details they want. We also ensure that we attach a form. So this is basically a form, right? So once they fill in their details and any message that is required, once they click on send, the details of the customer along with the email address and the message is available to the admin, that is the client. So any concerns or anything can be addressed through the contact us form. So we develop this form also in the basic package. And apart from contact us page, there's database access, details of onboarded customer. So every time a customer logs in, right, those details are available to the admin. So that is the database access. And we give policies. What are policies? So any website that you develop must have its own privacy policy, terms and conditions, return and refund policy attached, right? So if you can go here, you have the policies. If you can see on the right hand side, you have privacy policy, terms and conditions, refund cancellation policy, deletion of account. That's also like a policy, or that's an option. So if you click on privacy policy, a new page opens with all the details. So this we give generally. and we also give terms and conditions. This is again just mere policy that we put in. It's very relevant, and we have our own small privacy policy and terms and conditions that we've developed. We can use it for the customers. If they are ready to give from their end through their lawyer or whatever it is, we are ready to incorporate that also. There's a refund and cancellation policy also. So this we give in the basic package: privacy policy, terms and conditions, and return and refund policy. Apart from that, social media links, right? So we also integrate the social media links. As you can see niche down, there's Facebook, there's YouTube, there's Instagram. So once I click on this Instagram, if they have their page, it directly navigates to their Instagram, right? How wonderful. If they have their YouTube page, it redirects to their YouTube page. And if they have their Facebook, it redirects to their Facebook page. So this is social media links are attached, right, to the footer or header wherever they want. So we have developed another application called Power TV. This is a must watch. So here we have given it in the header only. So I click on their Instagram page opens, right? So this is with respect to the social media links. And similarly, there's a header, a footer. So what is a header and footer? Oh, where did it go? Yeah. So see here, this is an header. What you can see up where shop by category, all products, contact us, account. This is all header. This is an attractive header. So what does an header comprise of? It comprises of a logo, a search option, search bar, cart. So we'll give you an attractive header. We'll also give you an attractive footer with all details required. And if that particular client has a mobile application also, we embed the app links, that is Google Play links or App Store links. So once you click on that, it redirects to App Store and it simply opens the application link, right? So that is also given in the basic package if they have a mobile application, that is obvious, right? And they have a payment gateway, as I already said, it is integrated to a third party, and shipping is also integrated to third party, be it ShipRocket or eCart. So this is about the basics of e-commerce website, the basic package. In the next video, I will pretty much explain about mobile application, e-commerce mobile application, which is pretty much similar to e-commerce website, a little here and there, and all the details that I couldn't show here, something like the filter and sort options or the order history, I will showcase it in the e-commerce mobile application, right? And this is with respect to basic features only. Apart from these, any other feature would cost extra. This is what you should keep in mind. Okay? Okay, thank you guys.